Hi first graders, Mrs. Schomber here, and today I want to do some of our yellow book phonics. Bear with me because we're going to skip some parts and I'm trying to do it on computer. I am going to pause and that will be where you can talk at home and answer. Okay, so let's start with some parts of the body, and I'm going to say nonsense words, which are not real words, but and when I say the nonsense word, I want you guys to tell me what the real word would be, and it probably does happen to rhyme. Okay, so tolder, and I'm really trying to say shoulder. Good job. Nears, your turn. Ears. Zos, your turn. Nose, good job. Mouth, mouth, good job. Ties, eyes, if you said eyes, good job. Let's move to the next game that we're going to play. I am going to read two words. I want you guys to repeat the words and then say the sound that comes at the beginning of both words. For example, I will say sag, some. And then you will say sag, some, okay? Because they both start with S. So here we go. Let's try pin, poke. You say pin, poke, and p. Good job. Lot, luck. Your turn. You should have done lot, luck, My turn. Cut, come. Your turn. Very good. Bed, bag. Your turn. Bed, bag, b. Now remember when we're doing B's and D's and sounds like that, we're not going to say like b. Okay, we're going to just slightly put it at the front of our tongue and lips right here, and we're going to say b. Do it light. Don't like b. Okay. All right. The next thing is next game we're going to do is I'm going to say some syllables. I want you guys to repeat the syllables and then say the whole word. When we do this in class, you guys like this game. So here we go. I'm going to say, for example, let's do one together. Angel, and then you guys will say angel, and then you'll put it together, angel. Okay? Here we go. Tiger. Tiger, tiger. All right, I'll be quiet now so you can do it. Lemon, lemon. Candy, candy. Dentist, dentist. Cover, cover. Famous, famous. Doctor, doctor. Good job. Planet, planet. Put it together. Planet. Good job. I can tell you guys were trying your hardest. The next game that we're going to play is I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat that word, and then I'm going to have you change a part of the word to a different thing, and then you'll tell me what the new word is. For example, I might say recite and change re to X, and the new word is excite. It's not recite anymore, it's excite, like get excited. Okay, so let's try. The word is spoonful, and then you would say spoonful, and change spoon to bash, and the word is bashful. Good job. All right, the word is careful. You say careful. Change care to help, and the word is helpful. And remember, I'll pause a little bit and then you see if you're saying it, okay, the right way. Painter, painter. Change paint to sweat, and the word is sweater. Public, repeat it, and change pub to gar, and the word is, that was a tough one, garlic. Okay, shoulder. Change shoal to bowl, and the word is boulder. Let's do one more. The word is limit. Change limb to viz, and the word is visit. Good job. All right, moving on to our next game. I'm going to say the syllable. You guys will repeat the syllable, and then I'm going to have you add something at the beginning of the word today, and then you tell me what the word is. So let's do an example together. I might say the word is gel, and add "ing" to the beginning, and the word is angel. Okay? So let's do it. The word is take. Add "miss" to the beginning, and the word is mistake. Okay? That's how we're going to play. The word is in. Add "lem" to the beginning, and the word is lemon. This is hard. The word is pet. Oh, let me make sure I'm doing that right. Yes. The word is pet. And I want you to add car to the beginning, and the new word is carpet. The word is zen. Add fro to the beginning, and the word is frozen. The word is pack. Add un to the beginning, and the word is unpack. The word is key. Add mun to the beginning, and the word is monkey. Good job. For this game, I'm going to say the word. I want you to repeat the word, and then I'm going to have you take a part of it off and tell me what is left. So let's do an example together. The word is fever. Okay, fever. So you say fever without ver, and the word is, and you would say fee. Okay, so let me make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, bacon, bacon without kun, and the word is bay. Good job. Carpet without pet, and the word is car. Rubber without burr, and the word is rub. Frozen without zen, and the word is fro. Without with, ooh, and the word is out. Good job. Wagon without wag, and the word is in. Okay. Monkey without mun, and the word is key. Mustard without erd, and the word is must. And the last one, printer without and the word is print. Good job. All right. The last game that we're going to play today is I'm going to say a sentence. I want you to say it. Also, repeat the sentence. Say it with some feeling and expression, which we've talked about in class. We're not just talking like boring robots. Okay, so say it with expression like I have, but I also want you to count how many words are in this sentence and then hold it up and double check and see if you get it correct. Okay, so just try your best. So I'm going to say, I learn at my school. You're going to say, I learn at my school. I learn at my school. It's 5 words in that sentence, okay? My eyes help me to learn. Your turn. My eyes help me to learn. 6 words in that sentence. Okay, I'm not going to help you anymore. Let's see. Birds sing songs. Your turn. If you said it and you got it correct, it was 3. 3 words. Dogs can make loud noise. Your turn. Should be 5. Good job. Is the fence tall? Remember, you need to say it with like I do. So I'm asking a question on that one. Is the fence tall? So you would say, is the fence tall? And then how many words was in it? 4. Good job. I see a big red barn. Your turn. 6, if you got that right. Good job. And the last one for today. I want to ride a horse. Your turn. That was also 6 words. So double check, make sure you got it right. Boys and girls, give yourself a Oreo cheer. Remember our Oreo cheer? Take it apart, lick it, stick it together. Don't really lick your hands. All right, you guys did a great job. I'm very proud of you, and I can't wait to see you soon.